Hello and welcome to Persian cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious fancy fish for dinner. And it's so easy, you're going to be amazed with the result. Here are the ingredients. I have a baguette here. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Garlic, salsa, fish, lemon, olive oil. The first thing a good chef needs is a good cutting board and a good knife. This is a baguette. I'm going to cut it in small pieces. Then I add the rest of the ingredient, which includes garlic and olive oil and salsa. Make sure that you're cutting all the pieces into equal thickness. And you continue with that until you cut all the pieces, and then here we go. Remember, baguette is a little bit hard, so watch your fingers while you're cutting the bread, but it's worth every little bit of effort that you put into this, because once you're eating it, you're going to be saying, oh my god, this is so good. This is so delicious. This is so amazing. Why I didn't know this before? Well, now you know. This is a tool that everyone needs to have. This is a garlic crusher. I bought so many different garlic crushers from different brands. The best one so far is the one from IKEA, which is actually one of the least expensive ones. So what you do, you just lift it, put the garlic there, close it, and squish. Put the garlic inside, pull the handle, squeeze. Add olive oil to the garlic. I have some salsa here. Add the salsa. Mix, mix. This is an oven tray. You don't need to grease it. You don't need to line it. All you have to do is put the breads here and then add the salsa that's mixed with garlic and olive oil on top of them. And don't put it right away in the oven. You have to let it soak for at least 5 minutes, and then you can put it in the oven. Here's the bread and salsa and garlic and olive oil. I put it aside for 10 minutes and then I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. You need to heat the oven for 350 and 10 minutes is just perfectly enough. You need a pan and some olive oil and a lemon. What do I do with the lemon? This is what I do. I cut it in half and I add half of the lemon juice into the pan. I put it on top of the stove and I turn the heat on. I have Alaskan smoked salmon and it's wild caught. So you open the package. Beautiful. Now I add it into the pan. Now I have this cooking on high heat for 5 minutes. You can put the lid on. I preheated the oven to 350 and I'm going to let the bread in the oven for 10 minutes. Here are 2 plates. I add some salad to each plate. And the half of the lemon that was left, I added to the glasses, and you can put your favorite drink there and add the lemon. And now we're going to make a dressing. This is a little bit of mustard. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of apple cider vinegar. Take a spoon. Mix, mix, mix. Drizzle on top of your salad. Our fish is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of the dressing on top of the fish because mustard, vinegar, and fish are amazing together. Our bread is ready to be taken out of the oven. Wow, that looks beautiful. This food is absolutely gorgeous, very appetizing to look at, very delicious when you eat it. If you want to eat something like this in a fancy restaurant, you have to probably pay over $100 for it, but you can easily make it at home, and it's beautiful, it's delicious. Wow. This is a very delicious fancy fish for Friday. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appetit and Nusha John. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I love you all. See you next time.